Hi, Bubbles. So Bubbles just turned a year old last week. He's a full-grown baby now. He's still my baby, will always be my baby. Right, Bubbles? If you're new to my channel, Bubbles was born here at my house. I got his mother and father. And he's coming so close to me. Come on over here, Bubbles. Come on. I just put him outside in the aviary for just a short little while. It's a nice day. It's a little bit breezy. Come on, Bubbles. Come on, sweetie. There he is. All right, here he is. He's a pretty boy. Go over there. He just wants to stick like too close to me and I can't film him. I'll put him over there and see what he does. There! Then he was whistling and talking, but as soon as I get the camera out, of course, he stops. Oh, he's looking at the birds. He can hear that. That's a mourning dove. Those mourning doves, they make noises with their wings when they fly. Almost like a Bork parakeet. I can hear my Borks when they fly. Yes, and it's windy. Oh, you're chewing at the branches. Yay, yummy, eh? Yummy. Isn't he beautiful? Did you hear that mourning dove? They make a squeaking sound. What's that, Bubbles? Yeah, what's that? Come on. What you see? You go over there. Up, up, up. There we go, buddy. Watch how fast he comes to me. Look. Oh, where'd you go? He just wants to stick right beside me. You don't want to go anywhere else? See, I'm a little bit nervous, Mommy. You were outside last year. I'm sure you were. You were born in May. And you had all summer. Well, he was a baby, but I think I've put him in here before. But this is his first time outside this year in 2023. What'd you see, Bubbles? So I got to put some, toys in here and some water. I didn't fill up the water there. I just brought him out like 2 seconds ago or 2 minutes ago. Bubbles, you're so close. Come on, up, uppies. He's like, no, Mommy. I want to be close to you, just don't pick me up. Okay, I won't pick you up. Look how handsome you are. Look at his tail. You see the yellow? Actually, I think he more or less has two, and he's been molting. And he's got a yellow feather on his wing there. He's like lightly pied. Monty is his father, and Willow is his mother. And I'm going to be letting all my cockatiels out here one day. They really love it. There, Bubbles, you getting relaxed? What'd you see? You can hear all the noises? It's kind of rush hour outside now, and you can hear like cars, and then the planes go by, and then sirens and motorcycles, the wind, the birds, lots of noises. Bubbles? Bubbles. He sings that song with me. Yeah. And he says, give me a kiss. Mwah. Bubbles, give me a kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh, look at you, so handsome. You're so pretty. You're going to have fun outside this year, aren't you? Yeah, here comes a plane. Well, at least he's over there instead of trying to cling to me. And Bubbles is so tame and so friendly. He's a good boy. Yeah, aren't you, Bubbles? Are you a good boy? See, the other birds are jealous. They want to come out here. Bubbles. Hi, baby. Yeah, there's not much sun right now. It's just the sun's facing the other way. So you can't really have a sun bath right now. Are you blurry? There you go. Oops. There he is. Yeah, there's the sun above the house. It's around 6 o'clock. It's much sunnier here in the mornings and afternoons. You want to step up again? No, he's finally like comfortable out here. Fine, when he's nervous, he wants to cling to me. Yeah, what'd you see? Bubbles, bubbles. This is the song I sing, Bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbly poo, bubbly poo. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbly poo. And I think he's starting to sing it because I hear him mumbling. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbly poo, bubbly poo. Yeah, Mommy's crazy. I know. Woo, look at you go. Whee! He wants to fly. Aye, because he likes that song, don't you? There's some seagulls that flew by. And he looks up at it. He hears them. Those are seagulls. Yeah, they're big, big birds. He's looking at all the birds and all the noises and sounds. Getting in some fresh air. Are you having fun? So I'm going to bring him out on a nice day where it's nice and sunny. And put some other birds in here. Come on, sweetie. No? You just come in close. You don't want to step up. Look at him go. Look like you're tap dancing. Okay, you eat that up. Good job, Bubbles. Good job. Oh, it doesn't stay in focus. Look at he's eating the branch. Good boy. Yeah, he's getting more comfortable now. Lots of fun, hey? Lots of fun. Look at him go. It's a shredding machine. Good job. It's okay, you can do it. You're allowed. He's like, am I biting the right stuff, Mommies? It's not for your furniture? That's not my furniture. You can bite that. He's so cute. Look how long his tail is. Whoa. You got a long tail. Good job. Alright, so Bubbles is okay without me in there. I stepped out and he's not chasing me anymore. You okay, Bubbles? I'm gonna give you some water, okay?